Okay, okay. This one we set up 1,000 lakh for one product. Okay.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay. Now we will scan it.
ให้ครบตามจำนวนแล้วกดปุ่มเลือก
We have package selection 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 lakh. Okay, let's try the first one. Then I will send in a group. Then customer will scan it and we will test it. This is BCEL Bank. Okay, let me send it. Okay, I sent to the group already for they scan it. Okay, hold on. When they transfer successful, the screen will show transfer successful and it will show one pulse at here. Okay, just wait. Okay, customer sent the slip already. It's success. Screen show one. Okay. Yeah.
กรุณารับสินค้า
Okay, you get your product over here. That's it.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, thank you very much.
ผู้ใช้บริการ